All right, 3, solve the word problems below that deal with break-even point application. Nita wants to start a home-based t-shirt printing business. She spends $840 on equipment and $285 on advertising. Her cost to buy the t-shirts and ink is $5 per shirt. She plans to sell the shirts for $14 each. How many t-shirts do you need to sell to reach the break-even point? So there's two things we have to consider. We have to consider the costs, and we have to consider the revenue. Cost is how much it costs for her to make the shirts, and then revenue is how much money she's going to make. How much does it cost for her to make the shirts? Oh man, there's a little trick on this one. What cost is she investing in making these shirts? What are costs she's having to deal with? She had to buy equipment, right? So $840 for that. Advertising, what that costs money, doesn't it? So what can I do with that? Add it. And then her cost to buy the t-shirts and ink is $5 per shirt. What's an expression for $5 per shirt? What can I put there? 5x. Man, the genius is in here today. So it costs $840 on equipment, $285 on advertising, and then $5 per shirt. Now the revenue, how much money is she going to make? $14 each. So what would that be? 14. Yeah, 14 times X, 14 times the number of shirts she sells. I could probably clean this up to 840 plus 285, 5x plus 1,125. Okay. Now, I want to know the break-even point. So the break-even point, what do you think has to be true at the break-even point? What would be true about the cost and the revenue? How much money you think's cost versus how much money you make? For your break-even, what has to be true about these two expressions? They're equal. Good job. So the costs have to equal the revenue because the amount of money it costs has to equal how much money you're making. So how much money it costs, or the expression for how much it costs, equals how much the expression for how much you make. Okay. Okay. So what could I do next? Subtract 5x. Subtract 5x. I want to get the x's together. It's 9x. Okay. Then what could I do? Divide by 9, divide by 9. Whenever Dylan opens up his shirt company, he's going to be able to use this here. 125. So they need to sell 125 shirts to break even.